Dunce by Mary Ruefle. I am always up for a bog, said Mary. I, too, am always up for one, said I. And so we put on our rubber boots. I love being in rubber boots, said Mary, and I the same. The ground sprang as we bogged. The bog wavered as we sprang. Orchids and mushrooms, mushrooms and orchids, slender and pink, squat and brown. As the light fell, the eyes of fireflies were all around, like tinker ghosts. There in my house, she said, a stove light that never goes off, and in my car, I said, there's a dash light that never goes off. What warning has no end, and ends without a warning? She thought I didn't know.